In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add long lower shadow bullish, quick and easy. This is a simple but very useful pattern indicator on Tradingview that helps you quickly spot potential bullish reversal signals on your chart. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along, even if you're new to Tradingview. First, make sure you're on your Tradingview chart with the market and time frame you want to analyze already open. Once you're there, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually near the top toolbar, labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the Indicators window, which is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart. When the Indicators window appears, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type the word lower. You don't need to type the full name of the indicator, just lower is enough to narrow down the results. As you type, Tradingview will start filtering indicators that match your search term. In the list that appears below, look for the one called Long Lower Shadow Bullish. This is the pattern indicator we want to add. Once you see Long Lower Shadow Bullish in the results, click on it one time. As soon as you click it, the indicator will automatically be added to your chart. Now, you should see signals or markings on your candles wherever this pattern appears. The indicator highlights candles with long, lower shadows that may suggest buyers are stepping in after sellers pushed the price down. This can be helpful for spotting potential bullish reversals or areas of support, especially when combined with your own analysis and risk management. From here, you can customize how the indicator looks and behaves. If you want to adjust the settings, hover over the indicator name in the chart's legend and click the settings icon. You can tweak colors, visibility, and other options so it matches your trading style and is easy for you to read at a glance. If you enjoy using Tradingview and want access to more advanced features like additional indicators, multiple charts, and more detailed tools, check out the affiliate link for Tradingview Pro in the video description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. That's all you need to do to add the long lower shadow bullish indicator. Follow these steps, test it on your charts, and integrate it into your overall trading plan.